Firefighters battled to bring raging wildfires under control in Spain, and people sought relief with fans, shade and plenty of water as an unseasonable heat wave pushed temperatures close to record highs. Spain was heading towards its hottest early summer temperatures in decades, with forecasts of between 40 to 42 degrees Celsius in northern Spain, according to National Weather Agency. Many areas of Western Europe have been sweltering under unseasonably hot temperatures over the past few days, compounding climate change fears. In Zaragoza, forecast to sizzle under Spain's highest temperature of 42 degrees Celsius, people at a farmer's market waved fans and newspapers, stood in the shade and kept hydrated. Dry and windy conditions have caused wildfires in several areas, with Zamora, near the border with Portugal, among the worst hit.